Tokens are undoubtedly one of the most powerful tools in the blockchain technology, and enabling a new paradigm of digital value exchange wouldn't be possible with a token that represents a unit of value within the network, which could actually denote anything from currency to services, assets, or even intangible entities like reputation or voting rights. And by leveraging tokens to symbolize such entities, smart contracts can interact with them, exchange them, and even generate or destruct them as needed. This particular feature holds an important potential for the blockchain industry, facilitating a decentralized system of transactions and contracts without the need of a third party. So to utilize the token effectively, it's important to implement a corresponding smart contract. This contract is separate from the token itself and instead contains a range of methods that users can actually interact with to actually be able to deal with the token. These users could be service providers, merchants, insurance companies, game developers, or any other entity that needs to engage with these tokens. Let me make an example. So let's say we have a merchant that uses the smart contracts payment method to receive payment in tokens, while a content creator may use the smart contracts royalty method to receive a percentage of the revenue generated by their content. There could be different applications using tokens, so we shouldn't just consider tokens as something similar to a coin, or limit its concept to just a few use cases. So at its core, the token smart contract functions in so many cases as an address to balance mapping that can be modified through the contract's established methods. These balances are mostly representative of the actual tokens, with the token possession determined by the non-zero balance within the token contract. Balances may take on various forms, such as credits, intellectual property, energy units, loyalty, and whatever idea that you could imagine that could be applied using the implementation of a token. Let's talk a little bit more about differences between a coin and a token. Crypto coins and tokens share some similarities. It's really important to note that they are totally different. And the key difference between them is that coins are a native cryptocurrency of their blockchain, whereas tokens operate on other blockchains. For example, Bitcoin, which is a coin since it is a cryptocurrency native to the Bitcoin blockchain, while on the other hand, for example, DAI or ERC20 tokens are tokens that does not have their own blockchain, but rather run on Ethereum blockchain. Understanding this difference is vital to comprehend the complexities of the cryptocurrency market and its underlying technologies. There are basically two terms that you could hear a lot: fungible and non-fungible tokens. A fungible token is a cryptocurrency or digital asset that is easily exchangeable and interchangeable with other tokens of the same type and value. The term fungible means that one unit of the token has the same value as another unit of the same token and can be divided into smaller units without losing its value. On the other hand, a non-fungible token, or NFT, is a unique digital asset that is indivisible, non-interchangeable, and irreplaceable. Each NFT has a unique ID that makes it easily distinguishable from other tokens, and it is owned by only one person. The value of an NFT is based on its uniqueness and scarcity, and it cannot be replaced or exchanged for another NFT without losing its value. Examples of NFTs include unique digital art, collectibles, and any other one-of-a-kind digital asset. So now let's talk about a bunch of pretty popular Ethereum standards. Tokens can be quite complex in their implementation sometimes. The Ethereum platform operates solely on smart contracts without any third parties. As a result, the Ethereum community has established a range of standards known as EIPs, short for Ethereum Improvement Proposals, or ERCs, short for Ethereum Requests for Comments, to define how contracts can interact with each other. So among these existing token standards, ERC is currently the most widely adopted for fungible assets. Simplicity also limits its potential applications. For non-fungible tokens, ERC 721 is widely considered the standard solution, primarily utilized for collectibles and games. And in contrast, ERC 777 is a more advanced standard for fungible tokens, enabling new possibilities while building on past experiences. And in addition, ERC 777 is backward compatible with ERC 20, and which makes it a pretty good choice. And there's one other more called ERC 1155, which is a revolutionary multi-token standard that allows a single contract to represent various fungible and non-fungible tokens at the same time. This standard also allows for batch operations, which increases the transaction efficiency and gas savings. By permitting multiple tokens to be represented within one contract, ERC 1155 greatly simplifies token management and lowering the complexity of development and managing token-based systems.